In this video, I will show you how to create a Google Ads account. To do this, just open up a browser and go to search for Google Ads. So don't search Google AdSense, but just Google Ads. From there you have a few ads, and there you will then find Google Ads, so go and click on that. Then from there you can go to sign into your Google account and then click Start Now. Now once you click Start Now, it will take you to the setup. So here you can create your first campaign in a few simple steps, which are to add your business information, create your ads, and set your budget. So simply click Create Your First Campaign. Now here enter your business name, this is optional. And then where should people go after clicking your ad? So you can enter a web page URL, a business phone number, or an app download page. Then just click Next. And then they will ask you to link accounts, for example, a phone number, a YouTube channel, mobile app, or Google Business Profile. Now you don't have to, so just go and click Next. Then choose your goal for this campaign. So for example, submit lead form, and then you can set that up right there. And it's all really simple. Now from here you can start creating your campaign. So you can choose the location as well as the language. You can also search for a theme. So this is basically phrases or words that people search for when they are searching for your products or services. For example, if you have an accounting firm, you can set it to accounting and then the location that you will service in. So then again, you have the final URL. They can describe your campaign to generate assets. So they take this right here. So what products or services are you advertising? They take that from your website, as well as the overview and then all of the links right here. And then you can click Generate Assets, and then it's literally going to generate all of the assets using AI. And you can see how it looks for YouTube, Gmail, Google Search, Display, and Discover. So for example, on Google Search, you can see what it will look like right there. And then if you like it, you can click Next, and you can see it creates a bunch of them to kind of split test it. And then from here, again, to ask, what do you want to focus on? Then you can also set a target cost per action. And now here you can set a budget, so you can either choose one of their recommended ones or a custom budget. And then once you click Next, you can then enter your payment details to actually pay for the budget. And then from there, just click on Submit, and then the ads will start running. So that's how you can create a Google Ads account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.